Hey traders, welcome to another setup from the Only Profits Academy. Today we're aiming to leave the market with about 90 pips. Members of the Academy got in earlier, but this is a late entry, just so I could record the setup for you guys. We're looking at Euro-Yen, which is showing strong bullish momentum from the weekly time frame all the way down to the lower time frames. On the 30-minute chart, we're seeing a clean correction, and that's exactly where our opportunity lies. We're trading live on Forex, known for tight spreads, amazing commissions, and instant deposits and withdrawals. If you'd like to join in, you can sign up using the link in the description. Let's go ahead and take the trade. You'll notice the disclaimer popping up. That usually means this is the first trade on this account. I deposited $500 into this trading account. There we go. I'm going to take another position here. In total, that brings us to 0.5 lots, which is the equivalent of 5 mini lots on Forex. Remember, Forex uses a 10,000 unit lot size instead of the standard 100,000, which gives more flexibility, especially for smaller accounts. As usual, my stop loss is sitting around 30 pips, and my final target is placed near a recent swing high. I'll definitely be taking partial profits as price rallies to the upside. By the way, if you want to stay connected and catch setups like this in real time, join our free Telegram. The link is in the description. I'm going to pause the recording for now while I adjust the stop loss and take profit levels for the second position. I'll update you guys on the trade shortly. Okay guys, as you can see, the trade is currently running in over 30 pips profit. Stops have been moved to entry, so the trade is now completely risk-free. I'll be taking partial profits as we approach 40 pips. If you want to learn how to catch these low-risk, high-probability setups, you can purchase a membership plan of your choice on the Academy's website. The link is in the description. There are 1,000 excuses for failure, but never a good reason. The market is moving a bit slow, but we're now in profit, and the trade is well managed. I'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. All right, guys. As you can see, the trade is currently running in over 70 pips. I've been babysitting this trade since yesterday, and honestly, I'm a little bored now. If you recall, I mentioned that members of the Academy got in earlier and have already locked in over 80 pips. So, I'm going to go ahead and close this trade now. There we go. Locked in over $8 at my first take profit level, and in total, I made close to $20 on this account from just one trade. If you enjoyed this live trading action, make sure to like the video, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more. Till next time, trade safely.